Tybôn I fyny, mae Tybôn yn curo Cottrell yn rhwydd. Y bas sgwar at Abruzesi. Abruzesi a eithaf am ergyd o bell. Fe neith! O, a dyna chi arbediad da hefyd gan Mike Lewis. Taran o ergyd, ond gwaith da gan Mike Lewis yn y gôl. Mae Sam Snaith, Will Richard, Curtis MacDonald I gyd I fyny ar gyfer y gic gornel, a dyma Fil yn dod eto, Fil yn taro'r bêl, yn tyrru nôl, MacDonald! A Curtis MacDonald, o bawb, sy'n rhoi'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Gôl gynta y tymor hwn i'r amddiffynwr tal sy'n dychwelyd i'r 11 yn cychwyn heno, yn gapten ar y nosod. A Kai Whitmore wneud unrhyw le y tro, ond dyma Martel Taylor Crosdale, mae wedi gwneud yn dda I ddal y bêl I fyny. O, mae'n cael ei gymryd o'r tu ôl gan Aidan Lewis. A Aidan Lewis, pa liw fydd y cerdyn fan hyn. Cerdyn coch yn syth I Aidan Lewis. Wel, dim amheuaeth gan Hugh Jones ein dyfarnwr. Dyma'r croesiad at y canol. Y Barri'n penion glir. Croesiad mewn, Bog yn codi. Jenkins! A Jenkins yn dod â Hwlffordd yn gyfartal. O, dyna chi gôl bwysig yn y ras am y seithfed safle. Hwlffordd yn ailgylchu y croesiad i'r canol. A Lee Jenkins ar ei drod dde yn isel heibio I Mike Lewis. Hwlffordd nôl yn y gêm. Hawkins gyda Abruzesi. Abruzesi, rownd y gornel gan Corey Shepherd. O! A mae Mike Lewis wedi llithro! A mae Corey Shepherd wedi ennill y gêm i'r adargleision. Corey Shepherd yn helpu'r bêl ymlaen. Mike Lewis yn symud i'w dde, i'w chasglu ddi, yn llithro yn y mwd. A'r bêl yn cripian, cropian, yn greulon dros y linell.
Jonathan, after 6 successive draws, what a cruel way to lose a game of football.
Yeah, definitely a game full of incident and sort of momentum shifts throughout the game, really.
You've had an opportunity to see the turning point of the game back, the red card for Aidan Lewis. How do you measure that one up?
I think the vast majority of people, you know, both on the bench around us and people I've spoken to following the game would say that's a yellow card based on the slide, based on it being a tactical foul to stop a counter-attack. I think what the referee's seeing is potentially the height of the tackling foot, but that doesn't make contact with the player. So, yeah, difficult decision that we're biased in terms of our opinion on, and one that we were the wrong side of this evening.
Tony Pennock, with half an hour to go, your side is 1 down. Do you think they'd blown it?
Yeah, it looked that way. You know, Barri got the goal. You know, after we dominated the first half with the conditions. You know, Mike made 2 saves. I think he did first half. We didn't really test him or get enough shots off. But you know, we give them a goal from a set piece, and Barri, a lot of experience in the team. They looked like they would hold on then because they had the conditions in their favour. But obviously, the red card is game changing, and it's probably turned the game in our favour, obviously, tonight. Yeah, bizarre moment really for it to bounce in the mud in the direction that it did, and then to cross the line with seemingly not enough pace on the ball. Yeah, really bizarre moment that we were on the wrong end of, unfortunately.
And it was a brave performance. You made 5 changes for tonight's game, and the team performed well. Yeah,
we had to rely on our squad this evening with a lot of our youth development players on the bench. That made an impact towards the end of the game. Yeah, Colin and Bay are fighting for their lives. You know, it depends on what happens with them tomorrow at Pontypridd, but you know, nobody gets relegated tomorrow. So we know how tough that's going to be next Saturday. You know, we'll do our homework, we'll train well again this week, which the boys have done this week to their credit, and you know, we look forward to our last home game of the season and hopefully another big crowd.